My name's Davis Slagle. I'm the Vice President of BeeGraphix located in Fredericktown, Pennsylvania, just outside of Pittsburgh. We have been running Melco machines since before my family bought the business. I believe the first Melco we had was 2001. It was an EMT6. We do a lot of on-demand. Before that meant manually going back to the computer, remembering which file you sent to which machine, and there wasn't a whole lot of automation connected to it. Now we'll drop our files in, organize them out right at the beginning, stage all the garments, and just blow through them one after the next, so the speed is greatly increased. We've developed systems around the Summit and the Summit Manager. The design's coming in, it's colored, it's already on the screen, ready to go, and operators can zoom in, see problems on the machine, diagnose, make fixes very quickly, and get the machine running again. Your design is going to be attached to a QR code that is put on the garment, and when that's scanned with the Summit, it's going to be able to pull the correct design down in the right colorway, which is going to save minutes on every piece that's embroidered in an on-demand process, which accounts for days over the year. So saving time with automation and that QR code scanner is going to be huge for us this year. Training for embroidery is not the easiest thing. There's a lot of base knowledge that you need to have. The touchscreen allows a simple user interface that pretty much guides them on what they need to do to keep the machines running when the maintenance is all right in one place and they don't have to jump around. So training staff has become much simpler with these summits. If you have a 16X, don't wait, make your operators' lives much easier, upgrade these to the Summit, and you'll see the ROI very, very quickly.